Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix the weak signal on Honor 200 Smart. First thing, go to Settings, Mobile Network, Mobile Data, scroll down to Wi-Fi calling and enable this option. Next thing is, stay still here, preferred network mode, switch to LTE, 3G and 2G. Don't use the 5G cause it's not everywhere like LTE and 3G. Next thing is, to disable and enable mobile data. It's the easiest. Next, enable the airplane mode. Wait a couple of seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Next thing is to move to an area with better coverage, but I know that it's not often possible. And last but not least, unfortunate, you need to contact the carrier to check for outages if it's still not working. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.